Candy Kids Adventure. Hello, kids. Welcome to What Color Is It? The exciting guessing game where we explore the world of primary colors. Are you ready? Let's go!
I'm the color of a ripe banana. What color am I?
Correct. The ripe banana is yellow.
I'm the color of a fire truck racing to save a day. What color am I?
Great. The fire truck is red.
I'm the color of a sun at dawn. What color am I?
Excellent. The sun is yellow.
I'm the color of the ocean on a clear day. What color am I?
Very good. The ocean is blue.
I'm the color of a ripe apple. What color am I?
Wonderful! The ripe apple is red.
I'm the color of the sky on a bright sunny day. What color am I?
Great. The sky is blue.
I'm the color of a school bus. What color am I?
Fabulous. The school bus is yellow.
I'm the color of a stop sign in a traffic light. What color am I? Correct. The color of a stop sign in a traffic light is red.
I'm the color of a Santa suit during holidays. What color am I? The color of Santa's suit during holidays is red.
I'm the color of the pants that you wore on your legs. What color am I? The color of the pants is blue.
Thank you for playing our guessing game. It was a pleasure having you. I hope you enjoyed the challenge and look forward to having play you again. Until next time, bye.